So, good evening, students. We are going to discuss the topic of testing. So, just now we discussed the topic of coding and code. So, today we are going to discuss the topic of testing. So, basic concepts of terminologies, testing, basic concepts of terminologies, testing activities, why design test cases. These are the different types of description is there in the testing. So what are the testing? Basic concepts and terminologies, basic concepts and terminologies, testing activities, why design test cases. So what are the concepts and terminologies we can use in the testing? I'll tell you one of the simple example. Testing and debugging both are simultaneously equal. Testing and debugging both are simultaneously equal. So testing activities are different. Why design test cases? Why design test cases? So testing activities are different. What are the different types of testing activities are there? What are the different types of testing activities are there? Why design test cases are there? Why design test cases are there? There are so many design test cases are there in research and development. In ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, or DRDO, Defense Organization, De- Defense Organization Development, Defense Research Development Organization, Defense Research and Development Organization, and CSIR, Council Scientific Industrial Research. Council Scientific and Industrial Research, they are going to do the testing and debugging according to the R&D platform, research and development platform. So basic concepts and terminologies, basic concepts and terminologies, what are there in the design and analysis. Testing a program consists of providing the program with a set of test inputs. Testing a program consists of providing the program with a set of test inputs or test cases. I will tell you one of the simple example what is there in the test cases. I will tell you one of the simple example what is there in the test cases. Suppose if you go to the management system, they will use the test cases. They will use the test cases according to all the platforms of the testing. They will use the test cases. Based on that, you are going to implement different types of test cases and observing if the program behaves as expected. Test cases will be doing and observing if the program behaves as expected. Based on that, you need to look into the more number of examples, then exercise it, get the result. If the program fails to behave as expected, then the condition under which failure. The program fails to behave as expected. The program fails to behave as expected, then the conditions under which failure occurs are noted for later debugging and correction. I told you the first time itself, testing and debugging both are simultaneously equal. Testing and debugging both are simultaneously equal. Based on that, you can look into a different ideologies. Failure. The testing is failure, what will be happen? The first testing is failure, what will be happen? It is the inability of a system or component to perform required function according to its specification. It is the inability of a system or component to perform required function according to its specification. So what type of components we are using here? Communication, planning, modeling, construction, deployment. What are that? I'll remind you once again: communication, planning, modeling, construction, and deployment. So communication is there. Communication between client and server, which we can call it as a user interface. Communication between client and server, which we can call it as a user interface. The communication between client and stakeholder. I will tell you one of the simple example. The management is our stakeholder and we are the employees, and employer of the institute is management. So the communication between client and server is nothing but communication between employees and employer is nothing but one type of system which is there in the component. So that is called the communication system. Second one, planning. So what type of planning techniques are occurred? Estimating, scheduling, gathering. All the information should also information we can call it as a planning, estimating, scheduling, gathering. All the information we can call it as a component of planning. Modeling, analysis and design. Modeling, analysis and design. I told you so many examples according to the analysis or according to the design. Next one, construction. Construction we can call it as a code and test. Construction we can call it as a coding and testing. We can call it as a simply code and test. Uh, Next one, deployment. In deployment we can use the optimization, optimization or optimizing, which we can call it as a optimization or optimizing. Feasible solution, game theory, linear programming. Linear programming is nothing but dichotomy between two pixels, dichotomy between linear decomposition, dichotomy between linear implications. All the information related to mathematical analysis which are there in the different types of dichotomy. Dichotomy is nothing but the software terminology which we used in the software testing methodology and which we used in the partition or Fraggle system or restore. We can call it as a dichotomy. All the specified information will be given to you according to the failure rate. So what is happening? Failure indicates the external behavior is incorrect. Failure indicates the external behavior is incorrect. So the employee's behavior is incorrect. Employee's behavior is incorrect, then the project will be failed. So they will show the pink card and they have to leave the institution. They have to leave the company. Error. Error, where it can be applied, where it can be going to do the process. A discrepancy between a computed, observed, and measured value or condition and the true, specified, or theoretically correct value or condition. Error, I will remind you once again, a discrepancy between a computed, error, a discrepancy between a computed, observed, or measured value or condition and the true, specified, or theoretically correct value or condition, which we are going to do the process according to the given system. So that is called the error or test cases. This is the triplet. Test cases, I told you some of the example where the management people are using how many test cases are there for the particular project. Based on that, you need to extend, you need to enhance different types of platforms. Next one, this is the triplet ISO. ISO stands for Indian Standard Organization, International Standard Organizations. In International Standard Organization, ISO 9000 standard, ISO 9001 standard is there, where I is the data input to the system. Software engineering terminology, what we are using is where I is the data input to the system, where I is the data input to the system. S is the data input to the system. S is the state of the system at which the data is input. S is the state of the system at which the data is input. And O is the expected output of the system. And O is the expected output of the system. Input and output, there is a function, in between there is a function which we can call it as a state. S is the state of the system which the data is input. So this terminology you can use in the ISO standards. Test suite. Test suite. This is the set of all test cases with which given software product is to be tested. This is the set of all test cases with which a given software product is to be tested. Testing activities, test suite design. Testing activities, test suite design. the set of test cases using which a program is to be tested, designing using a different techniques, black box testing, white box testing. There are two cases are there. What is the black box testing? What is the white box testing? All the information should be available in the software engineering course. So where diplomatic answers are we giving, we can call it as a white box testing. The diplomatic answers we are unable to give, which we can call it as a white black box testing. So there are different cases are there. You need to look at the different cases in a different manner, then apply the different platforms, then you will get the ideology. So that should be given to you process to enhance the techniques. Running test case and checking the result to detect failures. Running test cases and checking the result to detect failures. Each test case is run and the results are compared with the expected results. Running test cases and checking the result to detect failures. Running test cases and checking the result to detect failures. Each test case is run and the results are compared with the expected results. Each test case is run and the results are compared with the expected results. A mismatch between the actual results and expected results indicates failures, and expected results indicates all the results will be failed. So we are not going to do any process according to the given system. So if the system are failure, we are not going to do any process. If the system is correct, we are going to do the process. So there are several things are there to discuss. So many things we will discuss in the each and everything according to the given syllabus, right? Next one, there are mismatches are there. Debugging. So what do you mean by debugging? I told you some information. Testing and debugging are both are simultaneously equal. Testing and debugging are both are simultaneously equal for each failure observed during the previous activity. For each failure observed during the previous activity, debugging is carried out to identify the statements that are in error. Error correction after the error is located in the previous activity. Error correction after the error is located in the previous activity. The code is appropriately changed to correct the error. The code is appropriately changed to correct the error. So I'll remind you once again what is the debugging. Testing and debugging are both are simultaneously equal. After completion of the writing the program, we can go for debugging or testing. When the bugs are occurred, you need to clear the bugs. When the problems are occurred, you need to solve the problem. When the interrupts are occurred, you need to solve the interrupts. So this terminology we can call it as a debugging. So error correction, we can call it as a error correction. After the error is located in the previous activity, the code is appropriately changed to correct the error. The code is appropriately changed the error and correction. So there are so many things to discuss in this platform. Debugging. Why design test cases? Why design test cases? Exhaustive testing of almost any non-trivial system is impractical due to the fact that the domain of input data values to most practical software systems is either extremely large or infinite. Why design test cases? Why the design test cases are required? Why the design implementations are required? So exhaustive testing of almost any non-trivial system is impractical due to the fact that the domain of input data values to most practical software system is either extremely large or infinite. Therefore, we must design an optional test suite that is of reasonable size and can uncover as many errors existing in the system as possible. I'll remind you once again, therefore we must design an optional test suit that is of reasonable size and can uncover as many errors existing in the system as possible. Unit testing. A unit is the smallest testable part of an application, like functions, classes, procedures, interfaces. I told you about functions. In C programming, there is a functions. In object-oriented programming, there is a class. So, singular class, plural classes. Function, singular, functions, plural. Procedures. So what are the procedures are there in the database management systems? Interfaces. In Java programming, there is a interfaces are there. Java programming interfaces are there. Communication between client and server, we can call it as interfaces. Unit testing is a method which individually unit source code are tested to determine if they are fit for use. Unit testing is a method by which individual units of source code are tested to determine if they are fit for use. Next one, unit tests are basically written and executed by software developers. Unit tests are basically written and executed by software developers to make sure that code meets its design and requirements and behaves as expected. The goal of unit testing is to segregate each part of the program. So segregate each part of the problem. So differentiate, dichotomy, partition, Fraggle system, which we can call it as a test that the individual parts are working correctly. Drivers. What type of drivers are required for the implementation of coding and testing and debugging? Drivers are also kind of dummy modules which are known as calling programs. Drivers, which we can call it as a calling programs are there. So that is dummy modules. That is called the dummy modules, which is used when main programs are under construction. Suppose a module is to be tested where some inputs are to be received from another module. Suppose a module is to be tested where some inputs are to be received from another module. However, this module which passes inputs to the module to the tested is not ready and under development. So you need to discuss so many things. What are there in the drivers? What are there in the dummy modules, calling functions, called functions, all there in the C programming, Java, and object-oriented programming. So what are the different types of phases are there? You need to discuss all those things. So that should be there. Next, we need to simulate the inputs required in the module to be tested. This module where the required inputs for the module and the test are simulated for the purpose of module or unit testing is known as driver module. For example, when we have modules B and C ready, but module A, which calls functions from module B, and C is not ready, so developer will write a dummy piece of code for module A, will return values to module B and C. This dummy pieces of code is known as driver. This dummy pieces of the code is known as driver. So this information you need to clear, and then you will get the different types of platforms of the programming errors. Steps. What do you mean by steps? Steps are dummy modules which are known as called programs. Calling programs, called programs. Steps are dummy modules which are known as called programs, which is used when subprograms are under construction. The module under testing may also call some other module which is not ready at the time of testing. Therefore, these modules need to be simulated for testing. In most cases, dummy modules instead of actual modules which are not ready are prepared for these subordinate modules. These dummy modules are called steps. Example, just look at the program. Exam main parenthesis open brace integer ABC sum scanf percentage D ampersand A ampersand B sum equal to cal sum AB difference call difference AB multiplication call multiplication AB printf the sum is D sum call sum integer X and integer Y integer D equal to X plus Y return D and closed braces. So this is very simple program to understand what is there in the steps. So suppose if the main module are called difference or called multiplication or more due is not ready, then the driver and submit are there. And there are some programs are there. So we need to discuss so many programs in the class in a different manner. Thank you. So we'll continue the last session.